So we're here at Lift 2012. And what is Voltitude?
Voltitude is an electric bicycle. It's a folding electric bicycle for urban use. You can see here it's really designed for people who live in the city and work in the city, and they don't have space to keep a normal sized electric bike inside their home, at home or at work. And because theft is a huge problem in the cities, we conceive this product to be very easily foldable. So it's a 1 hand and 1 second folding system.
1 second?
1 second.
So this is just a prototype, no?
Well, this one is actually even a scale. It's a model. It's not a functioning bicycle. This one is the functioning bicycle.
So this works?
Yeah, this absolutely works. It has a 250 watt electric motor and a lithium-ion battery.
So where's the motor?
This is the motor here, and this is the battery here at the back. What you see here is a raw chassis, basically. That's a development product. We use this to test the concept. The final product will be a lot more polished and finished. Yeah, it goes to 25 km/h. It gives you a range of about 35 kilometers, and then you recharge it with a small charger, like a laptop computer, basically, same kind of charger. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to recharge.
Nice.
It's a Swiss design, Swiss engineering, and we are going to sell these from next month in March through the internet exclusively, and first in March.
That's soon.
It is very soon. We don't have the final models with us here today.
So it doesn't look exactly like this, right?
No,
More
it's
like
actually
this.
it's actually a mix of this and this. It will look a bit more technical than the red one, and a bit more, protected than this one.
Try again. Go very fast. So we'll.
Wow, it's a young fan. She discovered the product today, and apparently she really likes it. She's only 13-year-old. So it's a very fast electric bike. It's really designed to be quite responsive in town. Because in the city, range is not so much the issue. What you want is responsiveness. When the traffic light turns green, you really want to.
So you pedal, but it helps you with
exactly.
the battery, right?
Yes, exactly. You put about 20% of energy, and the motor will put about 80% of the rest.
Nice. So how much is it going to cost?
It's going to cost 5,000 Swiss francs, so approximately 4,000 euro.
Are you planning to mass manufacture, get the price down in the future?
Yes, of course, we're hoping to bring the cost down. Mass manufacture, perhaps not. We're going to build on our strength, and in Switzerland we know how to make precise and well-finished products like watches. We're not so good at making huge numbers of a product, but we'll see how it picks up. So far we've received quite a number of orders from around the world.
Do you plan to have some electronics, like over here you're showing a little screen?
Yes, in fact, okay, that's the concept that you see here. I'm not sure we're going to have a lot of electronics. We'll certainly have a development in place to have a locking system with a RFID chip and a motion sensor with an alarm system, so that you can really lock your bike and have some sort of alarm. But it's not going to be our first priority. The first priority is to get the bike to work great. Software development is very important for us for the motor, because this is how you determine how much range you will have, how much responsiveness you will have. It's a long and complex development.
And the range is going from how much right now?
It's about 35 kilometers.
At 80% and 20%?
Yeah, basically the law in Europe wants you to pedal a little bit. If you stop pedaling, the motor will stop. That's the law. But this is considered like a bicycle, so no license, no helmet, and no plate.
Nice. And the range can go up if the battery is bigger.
Yes, of course, we could have a bigger battery, yes.
Just carry it up at home. How heavy is it going to be?
Okay, this one is 26 kilos. It's a bit on the high side. It's not heavier than a normal electric bicycle, but this one is folding, of course, as you can see, it's folded here. And the objective is to also bring the cost and the weight down in the second generation.
Cool. How soon is the second?
Hopefully next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
One per year, like the iPhone.
No, I think on the longer term we'll slow this down, but because this year we're starting from a V0, a version 0 if you want, a sort of pre-series that we will mostly sell in Switzerland. Next year is really the big year where we go international.